We've all been there. Receipts are those little slips of paper that hold a surprising amount of power. Proof of purchase, warranty information, return policy details. Sometimes they're lifesavers. But with the rise of mobile wallets and contactless payments, the question becomes, are those trusty paper trails a thing of the past? Today, we're diving into the world of point-of-sale systems, specifically the Clover Mini, a popular choice for smaller businesses. We're here to answer the burning question. Does the Clover Mini print receipts? Let's unpack the Clover Mini and see what it has to offer. The mighty Clover Mini. Imagine a sleek little device that sits comfortably on your countertop. That's the Clover Mini. It's a compact point-of-sale system that allows businesses to accept payments, manage inventory, and track sales, all in one place. Pretty neat, right? But for all its bells and whistles, the question remains. Can it handle something as fundamental as a receipt? Printing power. The good news is yes, the Clover Mini does indeed come equipped with a built-in receipt printer. It's a thermal printer, meaning it uses heat to create the image on the paper, just like the ones you see at most grocery stores. However, there are a few things to keep in mind about the Clover Mini's receipt printing capabilities. Size matters. The receipts that come out of the Clover Mini are on the smaller side compared to traditional receipts. Think credit card sized, rather than a full page. This might be a deal breaker for some businesses that need to include a lot of detailed information on their receipts. The cut that wasn't. Another thing to consider is that the Clover Mini's printer doesn't automatically cut the receipts. This means you'll need to manually tear them off, which might not be the most ideal situation during a busy rush. Going green or... While some businesses might see the lack of extensive paper usage as a bonus, it's important to remember that traditional receipts often end up, well, not exactly recycled. The Clover Mini offers an alternative. Digital receipts. Customers can opt to receive their receipts via email or text message. This is a more eco-friendly option and can also be more convenient for customers who tend to misplace those little paper slips. The great receipt debate. So, Clover Mini printing champion or paperless advocate? The answer, like most things in life, depends. Printing pros. For businesses that need detailed receipts for returns or warranty purposes, the built-in printer might be a good fit. It's also a familiar format for some customers who might prefer a physical copy. Digital do goders. On the other hand, businesses that are environmentally conscious or prioritize convenience for their customers might find the digital receipt option more appealing. The final receipt. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use the Clover Mini's receipt printer is up to the individual business and its specific needs. The good news is that the Clover Mini offers both options, giving businesses the flexibility to choose what works best for them. Clover Mini. Receipt ready, with options. So there you have it. The Clover Mini does pack a printing punch, but it also embraces the digital age with its e-receipt options. Whether you crave the familiar crinkle of paper or prefer a greener approach, the Clover Mini has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.